get really weird, slow here, like it's just so slow here, guys, honestly.
50 Ks.
Oh my gosh, it's like we're never gonna get to a place.
But there's no rush. Over here, it's 50 everywhere.
Yep. And Wendy still looks the same.
You rarely come across a 60.
Yeah.
100 definitely for freeways. I mean, sorry, they call it motorways. We call it motorways here.
Yeah. Now we're here, guys.
So
Oh my gosh, I'm ready to sass these dang burgers, yo.
Chili pot.
Chili pot burgers. Oh man. Gosh, look at these burgers, guys. Oh my god. I'm ready to sass you. Yummy, delicious people like crazy. Oh my gosh, they even got meals, mates rates. And mates rates, like, you have to have a card to get those. Damn. It's not bad. For those people that haven't tried Wendy's, they even have the sauces here too, and I hope they do put it in Melbourne. Like, remember when we held out one time here? Guys, can I just say, yeah, Mom was just pointing out to me because I'm facing my back, but like the people that work at the stores here, they literally bring the food up to you. It's not like an house where you get your own food and stuff like that. It's so nice, like, yeah, like they treat, even though it's like not 5-star restaurant or anything like that, or fast food takeout places, they still treat you like you're special, yeah. It's still overwhelming, like I feel like crying sometimes because I'm just like,
because we don't see this in we don't see it where we're from.
And if you guys will probably know. Oh.
Just call out and we'll bring it.
Show you guys our food. So we got, let me tell you guys, we got a size medium. So that's what we got. We got a size medium and we got a massive drink. Yeah, that's how big they drink. Yeah, compared to iPhone 6. And compared to our iPhone XR. It's not bad. The mediums in NZ is like not even half the size.
And skinny.
Yeah, really skinny, full of ice. Show you guys the burger.
Chicken.
Mum got the the buns. Oh, I want to live here. Oh, look at the steam on that thing. Single bacon mushroom. Guys, I could cry and eat at the same time. No joke. I'm trying to thank Harriet so much for bringing us back home. Because we definitely wouldn't be here doing what we do, eating what we love, being around the places that we love so much, if it wasn't for that, like, you know what I'm saying? We'd probably be at home dreading work this coming week. Bro, that cheese, man. I don't want to eat the burger yet, I want to save it. Dip my chips in my chili pot. You guys would have saw it.
You want it hotter?
I have sauces to make it hotter, guys. My cracker. I don't want to show you guys because it might tip over. So last night I went to don't call him family. It's like family to me. His name's Frank. Went to his 20th birthday last night. I won't go into detail of how we all met and stuff like that. Besides the fact that we met at a holiday program. The sister used to run it, run it for a bit. And then her brothers came along, which is Frank and another guy named Jacopo, which I'm so grateful to have met. And then, yeah, from then on, more people our age started coming in. We started creating a closer bond, like with Kiana, Gabby, Voa, Xavier, Sanga, Rita, all these people, Maria. Like honestly, man, we built such a tight bond. So they're literally like my second family. Yeah, so I went to his 20th last night. It was the littlest thing I've ever been to. Because I've never been like included or been to stuff like that. Like I reckon if he wasn't someone that I was close to, I wouldn't have wanted to go. But I'm so glad I did. I went to my first ever club in New Zealand. It was just really lit, man.
She came home after 3 this morning.
Yeah, I came after 3 this morning. I woke up at like almost 12, and the time now is 2:17. Oh my gosh, the day's going quick. Oh, I feel like we got a lot done yesterday. The audacity of this place to make amazing burgers and not be in the video. Honestly, I'm so mad about it. Rip-off version. Loaded fries, cheese and bacon. Oh, yesterday.
Finally woke up.
So you guys would have seen the vlog where Mum and I had gone to Otara. We got some knockoff shirts that look real. But we know no one will have it now, so we don't care if it's knockoff or what. Like that's what you learn to love, yeah. Supporting our fellow businesses. Not really businesses, but like little stores in the market. I'm so grateful for so many things I did take advantage of here.
Oh,
I want to try this. Tastes so good. The cheese, the mushrooms, guys, mushrooms and cheese, my favorite combo.
the bun itself.
The bun, oh man. They should shut down McDonald's and all those other Hungry Jacks and that. They need Wendy's over there, no joke.
Customer service here is awesome.
Like, guys, Mum's being a bit shy at the moment. Yeah. I used to find it hard finishing this egg when I was a bit younger.
From hard fish and chili pot. Yeah.
I like that the chips are not salty. I don't think they have much salt on it.
And finish.
Oh, there's mushroom, man. You still see a bit of cheese on there.
I'm gonna get that.
I will. By the way, they have double-decker buses now. Like no more AT buses. I know in Oz they just have normal.
Your trams.
Yeah, we got
Over
trams.
here,
They got double-decker buses. Which is good though, because I know a lot of kids catch buses these days. It is safer that way too. You can't walk home these days because a lot of stuff happening.
I'm
gonna cry. Yeah. So happy. No, I'm trying not to cry, but I'm still crying. Sorry guys, it's pretty emotional fast coming back here. We're crying in a fast food takeout. People are probably like, what the hell is this? First of all, this food's really good.
Everything is really good.
I can't believe how good this food is. I'm actually crying, guys. Like, can you believe it? Mine's crying too. Oh my god. I never want to leave. I don't want to leave.
It's sad in a way because you see a lot of people still set in the old ways.
Yeah.
And you keep thinking they can do better.
Yeah, they
If they go out of the country, come back, it's the best move. Really move.
I'm actually getting full, guys, but I'll probably be hungry after we do a bit of shopping. So we're gonna head to We're gonna go to Mannix, Manukau. Do some shopping at Pack and Save, the Countdown.
In the warehouse.
In the warehouse. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get track pants, jumpers. I'm gonna be looking there for ages. You know they were selling Nikes and stuff before I left? When I came last year? Warehouse selling Nikes and stuff. Can you believe that? Man. Okay guys, hope you guys enjoyed that little heart-to-heart talking video. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, fam. If you're a fan of Wendy's, let me know what your favorite combo is and stuff like that. And oh, your name.
Sorry.
Yeah, let me know what your favorite burger or combo is, and probably try it out when I come back next time. Bye guys. Bye guys. Bye,